The word Ndahoo'aah in Navajo means learning or relearning, also new learning. And so that word Ndahoo'aah is pretty much a good word that you could use to have the kids learn something new or relearn something that has already been there pertaining to their culture or their tradition. This year we decided to go ahead and do a 4-hour program. And what we do is we split the number of students that we have total, and one half of the group will go into their various types of crafts.
Elders are the ones that are the teacher, and they're the ones that teach the arts and craft. For an example, there's rug weaving, silversmith, cinch weaving, sash belt, basket making.
And then the other half of the students would basically be in a library setting where they would actually get on the computer and they would try to mimic whatever design that they're doing in their craft room onto a computer. And so the students would have to learn a little bit about math, in order for them to do that. And so we've had the students from the University of Utah come down and teach the local part to these young people that were part of this program.
They complete the project in 3 weeks, and everything is complete by the end of the 3 weeks. We have a dinner celebration and show off our crafts and such. So that's how the Ndahoo'aah program is done during the summer.
I believe that the Ndahoo'aah program gives an opportunity to a Native student, a Navajo student, that's willing to learn a little bit more about themselves, of who they are and where they come from, but also how they can actually mesh that into the modern society. We just wanted to make sure that our young people here at Monument Valley High School have those the skills and the tools so that they can actually utilize those technology for their job or whatever that they plan to do. That's how we have basically organized the program, is making sure that the elders will speak in Navajo.
The elders will speak to them in their native language. Then on top of that, they'll go to a local class to create their design on computer. So it's like they're functioning in 3 languages, which is the Navajo language. And the second language is the English.
And like Darian said, try to involve some math in it.
And the third language is the computer.
The thing about the elders is that we basically just encourage them to make sure that as they are working with these kids, we're trying to make them feel like they're teaching their own kids, making sure that the kids understand that they're the grandfather or grandmother figure.
And then the grandparents talk in Navajo while they do the hands-on project like my parents have done for me.
To me, I kind of feel like it's not totally a school thing, but it's much more of a fun thing because they're learning about what their identity are, making sure that they understand not only the culture or the tradition, but also their language. That's pretty much our priority for this program.